Okay, so hey everyone, this is Chris, come back with another new video. Now in this video I am going to show you how we can run Switch games natively in your Android phone. If you want to experience Switch games in your Android phone, then how we can run it. So by the help of Yuzu Emulator, we can easily run this type of game in your Android phone. But let's talk about how we can set up and run in your Android phone. Before starting this video, if you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe it and like this video. After that, let's talk about how we can install in your any Android phone. For example, I having this Google Pixel 7 and I am going to install Yuzu Emulator in this phone here. So my device currently running on Android version 16. If your device running on Android 8 to 16, then you can easily install and set up this Yuzu Emulator in your device here. So first of all, you have to download some file from my Telegram link in description. You can easily download from there. So you have to download some file here. So first here product key, and second here title key and Yuzu Emulator. You have to download three file from my Telegram here. I will provide a link in description or comment box. You can easily download from there. After downloading all this file, you have to install this Yuzu Emulator in your device here. So I have successfully installed here Yuzu Emulator in my device here. So after that, you have to open this emulator in your device. Then it will ask for some permission. Then you have to allow all permission here, like notification permission here. Or after that, this type of page appear here. Select your product key, then tap on select keys, select your product key. Then after that, tap on add game. Before you have to set up some file here. So you have to first download your games which you want to play in Yuzu Emulator. Suppose I have already installed. I download here Star Ocean. Its size approx 11 GB. You can notice here these games in currently RR format. After that, you have to extract it out in .nsp format. So by the help of Z-Archiver, you can easily extract it out only .nsp format, or like this type of format supported in this emulator here. After that, you can separate all this file like title key, product key and game file here in different folders. So I have already separated in podcast here. So select your podcast folder and tap on use this folder, tap on allow. After that, tick this button deep scan, then tap on OK. After that, boom, you can notice here Star Ocean games successfully loaded in Yuzu Emulator. After that, tap on settings here, tap on advanced settings. After that, tap on system. Then you have to disable this toggle here, limited speed. Okay, after that, disable this toggle limited speed. After that, you can select your emulator region here. If you from a different region, then you can select here USA. Then go back here and tap on graphics here. Okay, in accuracy level, you have to select here normal. If you select high and very slow, it means your device show here high graphics but some lags here. In resolution, you have to select low graphics to high performance. If your device high end, then you can select here 1x or 2x. If your device low end, then you can select here low graphics for better performance here. In VCNC, you can leave like this type of all these things normal. After that, scroll down here. And if your device are running on a Snapdragon processor, then you can enable this toggle here and renew GPU force acceleration, like this type of option appear here. Then you have to enable if your device running on a Snapdragon, but my device currently running on Google Tensor here and Mali GPU, then I can't able to enable this type of feature here. After enabling all these features or all this setup, let's try this game here. So it may be take few minutes or few seconds here for loading this type of game, or maybe first time black screen or auto back problem face here. So you have to try it again. After that, you can easily run this type of game in Yuzu Emulator. Yuzu Emulator is one of the perfect emulator to run this type of game. If you want to experience this type of game, then you can easily run. It's one of the best emulator to run this type of game. You can notice here 40 to 50 FPS I get here. So if your device is having more powerful, then you will get here more FPS here. Comment your device name and how much FPS you get in this game. So that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't liked and subscribed, then you can do.